Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate chip cookie cups. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. For the wet ingredients, grab 1 stick of softened unsalted butter, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget 1 cup of your favorite chocolate chips to make these treats extra special. Now let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter with the brown and granulated sugars for about 2 to 3 minutes until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in the vanilla extract. Then, gradually add your dry ingredients to the wet mixture, mixing until just combined. Finally, gently fold in the 1 cup of chocolate chips. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly grease a mini muffin tin, or use paper liners if preferred. Take about 2 tablespoons of your prepared cookie dough and press it firmly into each cavity of the muffin tin, ensuring it forms a cup shape. Bake these delightful treats for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown. As soon as they come out of the oven, use the back of a small spoon or a shot glass to gently press down the center of each cookie, creating a perfect cup for filling. Once your cookie cups are baked, let them cool completely in the muffin tin for at least 15 minutes before carefully removing them. This helps them hold their shape. Now for the fun part, filling. You can pipe in your favorite buttercream frosting, a rich chocolate ganache, or even a dollop of whipped cream. For an extra special treat, add a small scoop of vanilla ice cream or some fresh berries. These chocolate chip cookie cups are perfect for parties or a sweet everyday indulgence. Enjoy your delicious creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.